Alright, molecules. Probably not quite what you thought they were in the first place. So basically, the way to define a molecule is they are the smallest part of a pure substance that can exist separately, or molecules are particles that move independently of one another. In other words, they can exist separately and are able to move independently of one another. Most junior science units will describe molecules as two or more atoms joined together. That's actually not correct. This definition here is the correct definition of a molecule. What that actually means is you can have monatomic molecules. So a helium atom, which is all on its own because it's got a stable outer shell as a noble gas, is actually called a molecule because it is the smallest part of a pure substance that can exist separately, yeah, and they move independently of one another. So all your noble gases are molecules. Diatomic molecules are oxygen, hydrogen as a gas, carbon dioxide, see? Pure substance, not an element. These guys are all elements. Triatomic molecules, ozone, water, sulfur dioxide. Then you've got your tetratomic, that's how that word should be said, molecules. Ammonia and phosphor, just phosphor on its own, P4. That's cool. Now, basically, molecules are sharing electrons. They are covalent bonded. Well, not always, but they can be. So what we see is you've got your two hydrogen atoms, and this is how this molecule exists. It's these two electrons being shared amongst those hydrogens. This is a diatomic molecule. So these are just some examples. This is a diatomic, and this is what it looks like. So they're sharing those electrons to give it a stable outer shell of 2. Remember, hydrogen and helium are both too small to have a stable outer shell of 8. So they've got that first one's full, then they're happy. And here we see it as Lewis dot structures, comes along and joins up. And here's our oxygen molecule. These guys are going to share these electrons here, and it's all happy. If we wanted to draw these molecules as structural formulae, we would draw it like this. Now, if we wanted to draw a monatomic molecule's structural formulae, it would look like this. Just on its own, just chilling, doing its thing. Alright, I hope that made sense. I hope that was nice and simple. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching.